Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix error code VAN512 in Valorant. To start, click on the search icon on the taskbar. Click on Command Prompt. Here, type scdelete VGC. Then press Enter. After that, go to this PC and find red Vanguard file to delete it. You will get the error message. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at once. Your task manager will open. Delete all the associated programs related to Vanguard. Delete all files. Click on OK. Now reinstall Vanguard and run as administrator. After that, press Windows key and R at the same time. Type services.msc in the search bar. Click on OK. Here, find VGC. Now select the type as automatic. Click on Apply and press Start. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.